Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Microsoft OneDrive not syncing in Windows 10. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, locate your Microsoft OneDrive app on the bottom right of your taskbar within your system tray. Click on it to open OneDrive. Once the small OneDrive window appears, direct your attention to the top right part of this window. You'll see a gear icon, which is your settings menu. Go ahead and click on it to access your OneDrive settings. Now, from your settings menu, look at the left navigation panel and click on the account menu. This will direct you to your account settings page, where you can manage your OneDrive connection. Under your email account, you'll directly see an option labeled Unlink this PC. This is the key step that will help resolve your syncing issues. Click on this option to unlink OneDrive from your computer. It's important to note that unlinking your PC automatically logs your account out from OneDrive. This essentially resets the connection between your computer and OneDrive, which often fixes syncing problems caused by corrupted settings or connection errors. Don't worry, all your files will remain safe in the cloud and locally on your computer. Now, to complete the fix, you need to sign back in again. Open the OneDrive app from your system tray or by searching for it in your Start menu. When you open it, you'll be prompted to sign in with your Microsoft account. Enter your credentials and sign back in. This process of signing out and signing back in relinks your PC to OneDrive with a fresh connection, which typically resolves most syncing issues you might have been experiencing. By unlinking and relinking your account, you've essentially refreshed the connection between OneDrive and your Windows 10 computer. This simple troubleshooting step clears any temporary glitches or authentication problems that might have been preventing your files from syncing properly. Your OneDrive should now start syncing normally again. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.